Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term OTW. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, OTW is a shorthand for on the way. People use it when they want to quickly let someone know they are en route to a destination. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. OTW first showed up in the early 2000s in text messaging and online chat rooms. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and digital natives. Now let's check out how to use OTW in a sentence. Correct example 1. I just left the house and I'm OTW to the party now. Correct example 2. I'll be OTW in 5 minutes, just finishing up here. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said OTW at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using OTW right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. OTW means on the way, indicating someone is en route. It started in early 2000s texting, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with OTW in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.